Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a math number quantity activity for preschoolers and kindergartners. So what I had my children do is we used very few supplies. We used this printable that I got for free offline of cookies with chocolate chips on them. First sheet is numbers 1 through 6 and the next sheet is 2 through 20. And I just laminated them so that way we can use them over and over again different ways. And then we have some basic M&Ms, regular M&Ms, and a small dice, okay? So what I had the kids do was I had them take the dice and roll the dice. So I rolled a 6. Then I would have them take 6 M&Ms because they rolled a 6. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6. And they look over here at the cookie sheet and they find the ones with 6 chocolate chips because they rolled a 6. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they will just simply place the M&Ms on top of the cookie with 6 things. Now you can make it longer by having them just cover one cookie at a time, or you can make it shorter by having them cover multiples. So you could have them do all the ones with 6. So here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 M&Ms. Oops. It's 4, 5, 6. Cover up the cookie. There we go. You could have them cover all the ones with 6 or just one at a time. Have them do this till the whole sheet is full, and then they can eat the M&Ms after the game. Also, you could do this another way. You could upgrade it to a addition game. So the cookies, if you look closely at them, they have, let's look at a 6 here, has 3 on one side and 3 on the other. You could have them do addition with it. So you could say, okay, whatever number they roll, so a 5, so then they would use the bigger sheet and they would go 5 plus 5 is 10, and then they'd find the one with 10 on it and cover that one. You could even just use one M&M, have them just cover it with one M&M and just to cover the cookie. Okay, so you could do it that way. You could also count these, so you could do a 3. You could take a little, if it's laminated, you could take a dry erase marker and write a number 3 on the cookie with 3. Then they can see the numbers as well when they do it. There's multiple ways to do this. And kind of just whatever works for you and your children. My kids absolutely loved it, and they especially liked eating the M&Ms afterward. So I hope you enjoyed this math number quantity activity. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. If you want any specific videos that you would like to see, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And you can like the video if you like the video. Thanks for now. Have a good day. Bye.